everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I am going to be doing this green smoky glam makeup look, and I did this a couple of days ago on Instagram and you guys were just hitting me up telling me I should film it, so that's what I did. So firstly I'm going to prime my face with the Golden Rose primer, and then going in with this Crayolan foundation. My shade is D135, and I will link my review up in the card so you guys can have a look if you're interested. And I'm just going to take my time blending that onto my skin. This foundation is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm loving it right now. I'm then taking the Super Color foundation in the shade FS22. I generally use the LO Ultra foundation under my eyes as my concealer, but I decided to change it up, and I'm just going to be highlighting with this concealer. It does have a very prominent yellow undertone, so that is why I like it, to just brighten up the center of my face, and then just blending that onto my face. Blend, 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 you guys. Blending is the key to all great makeup looks in life. And then I'm taking this P45 powder. This is the Derma Color powder, and I'm just going to be baking under my eyes and making sure I don't crease under there. You guys know my situation. And I'm also going to be baking my expression lines, and then also just setting the rest of my face really well with this powder. I kind of look like I'm fighting with my powder brush right now. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Variety shadow from Crayolan, and this is the V6 palette, taking this white shade right here. It's kind of like a creamy white shade, if I can say that. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. And then taking this medium tone sort of reddish brownie shade, and I'm going to use this to blend into my crease as my first transition shade, and then taking this darker reddish sort of brown and just adding a little bit more depth. And then going in with the V2 Bright palette, I'm going to go in with this beautiful, I want to say turquoisey, tealy sort of shade. It's actually like I'm lying, it's actually like a bottle green shade. It's such a pretty shade, and I'm just going to use that on a flat shader brush and packing that all over my lid. And then taking a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that I left in my crease. And then I'm also going to go ahead and just pack a little bit more of that color on the lid, because in the blending process a lot of that color does, you know, kind of get lifted. And then I'm also going to take that on my lower lash line and blend it out. There is a little bit of fall off on this palette, but I mean, it's nothing crazy. And yeah, next going in with my Golden Rose Precision eyeliner, and I'm going to draw some wings. As you guys may have seen in my last tutorial, I absolutely love this liner. This is the only liner I've been using recently. It is just so easy to use, and yeah, I decided to include the entire clip of me doing my wings in this video, because it does take some time to get the wings to be sharp enough to cut someone. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is how I do my wings. Slow and steady wins the race, and you can see how effortless this pen makes it to do, if that makes sense. And then going in with the Golden Rose Smoky Lashes Mascara. Again, another one of my favorites. Sorry for the shaky camera. I think I kicked the tripod. And I'm just going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and just dust away all of the bake and all of the excess powder on my face. And then taking this Feble Contour palette and taking that shade on the right hand corner, and I'm going to use this to bronze up my face. All of the products that I'm using in this video you can find on the Kolorz website and in store, so definitely check that out. I will have a link down below in my description bar. And then going in with my Benefit HOOLA bronzer. I've recently just have been bronzing, and mostly bronzing. I wouldn't say it's contouring necessarily, and I just really like this more of a bronzish type of look. So I'm just bronzing up my face, and then taking the Kylie Salted Caramel highlight, I'm gonna go in and just blind everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight my inner tear ducts and also the sides of my temples. And I'm also gonna highlight my nose in an exclamation point. And then taking this Golden Rose makeup fixing spray, I'm gonna go ahead and just set my makeup into place. And then for lips, the only thing that you can't find at Colors is my MAC Plum lip liner. I have not been able to find a dupe for this lip liner. It is amazing. It is my favorite lip liner. I cannot live without it, you guys. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm just going to line my lips with this as always. And then going in with this liquid matte lipstick from Golden Rose as well in the shade number 13. It's such a beautiful nude on all skin tones. And I am just going to apply that all over my lips. And just making sure it blends back in with that plum lip liner because it is a very opaque formula. And then taking this Bodyography, I think it's Lip Vapor Scandalous Gloss, and I'm gonna apply that over my lips, packing on quite a good layer. And yeah, just making sure everything is well into place before I go in with Line Spring Lashes in the style Extra. And that is it for this look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I left quite a few bloopers for you guys to make up for me not uploading on Sunday. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! That's what Sanesh does.
Okay, not with the hand action, but yeah.
Oh, but they do that. Well, how else do they do? They do like...
Oh yeah, YouTubers do it.
Hi guys.